In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix ClickUp that is not sending any email invites. The first step that we have to do is to head to our inbox here, and then we need to re-invite these people. Just click the invite people button here, and then type in the email of that person. For example, is this. Once you type that in, you just need to click the send invite. Of course, this person will be receiving this email invite for your workspace. They just need to click on their spam in order to find this email from you. Another quick fix is to head to your profile and then head to settings. Once you are inside the settings, you just need to head to people. And from here, you can click the invite people here and do the same thing that we did earlier. And that's it. That's how you can fix ClickUp not sending email invites. And thank you for listening.